What's up everyone and welcome to this series, and in this series we'll be making our first automation software, and we're also going to be learning how to do testing or automation testing on video players, such as, let's say, a play action, pause action, and we're going to also explore how to do that on 360 videos as well. So let me give you guys an overview on what we're actually going to build. We're going to build a small user interface that allow us to actually give commands to our code and tell it what kind of test we would like. So for example, let's say I have Chrome in here. I want to test Chrome locally. Locally meaning using the browser that I have on my local machine. So let's say I'll pick local. You can pick the environment that you would like, either if it's QA, Dev Cloud, SDG, Prod, or you can actually customize it and give your own link. I can either do it on PC or mobile. The version will be default since I'm using the default or the local browser, so there will be no versioning on that one. And the type is the video player, which is going to be the name of my test. And let's say if I press next, it will give me all the options that I can test in that particular run, which is, let's say, pause, play, unmute, mute, and if I press launch, it will launch my program or launch my test. And if we go back, we can actually do that remotely as well. I can, let's say, pick version 61 for Chrome, and then pick the platform that I want to test it on, either Windows, OS X or Mac, Linux, Android or iOS, and also pick the version of the platform. And you can also do that for Firefox, Opera, Safari, Edge, Internet Explorer, and we can also gonna explore how can we do it on an app as well. So that's the first part, which we're probably going to actually do last, because we want to build the engine for the automation materials first before we actually add any GUI. So that will be done last. Also, something that will be done last is reporting, because whenever we want to run our test, we want to get something out of it. We want to know what actually happened, and a nice report will make our life easier and can also help whenever our boss asks us for something to provide. Here you go, you have a report. So this is all automated. Actually, you don't actually need to do much to generate it. It's really simple code, and we're going to learn it in this series. We can get information such as the browser type, browser version, and then the platform. You can also get information such as the initial time when it paused, the play time as well. You can get like information, what is this amount of seconds it took, and certain actions like that. You can get the mute status. So we're going to learn how to get all of those later on through the tutorials. So that's it actually for this introduction. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we're actually going to be doing, and I promise you it's going to be so exciting, and you'll learn a lot. Thank you so much guys, and have a great day.